Hey Curious Cubs, do you love animals? Of course you do. But did you know that animals are not just cute and cuddly? They help us in so many amazing ways. Today let's discover how pets, farm animals, and even some wild animals are our secret helpers. Let's go! Did you know that some of the best helpers live right in our homes? That's right! Our pets are more than just fluffy friends, they help us too. First up, we have dogs. Woof woof! Dogs are amazing helpers. They can guard our homes and make sure we're safe. Some dogs even help people who can't see by being their eyes and guiding them around. How cool is that? They're like furry superheroes. Next, we have our perfect pals, cats. They're not just good for cuddling and playing with. Cats are super helpful because they keep those pesky mice away from our homes. Plus, their purrs always make us feel better. And who can forget our feathered friends, the birds? Some birds, like parrots and lovebirds, can even talk. They can learn to say our names and sing songs. They're like tiny feathered entertainers. And if you like to watch colorful creatures swim around, then you'll love having fish as pets. They're super relaxing to watch, and they can even teach us about responsibility. We have to make sure they have plenty of food and a clean tank to swim in. It's amazing how many different kinds of pets there are, and they all help us in their own special ways. Did you know that dogs have been friends with humans since the Stone Age, more than 12,000 years ago? That's a super long time. Which pet do you want the most? Tell us in the comments. Let's take a trip to the farm. There are so many amazing animals here that help us in tons of ways. First up, we have the mooest helpers ever, cows. They give us yummy milk that we can drink plain or turn into cheese, yogurt, and even ice cream. And guess what? Buffaloes give us milk too. They're like bigger, stronger cows. Next time you see a goat, be sure to say, thank you. They give us milk that's super healthy and they're really good at climbing and exploring. Some goats even faint when they get scared. Can you imagine that? Cluck, cluck, cluck. What's for breakfast? It might be eggs from our feathery friends, the chickens. They also give us meat, and their feathers can be used to make pillows and blankets. Bah, sheep are super important too. They give us wool, which keeps us warm and cozy during the winter. We use wool to make sweaters, scarves, and even blankets. Horses are strong and majestic creatures. They help farmers by carrying heavy loads and pulling carts. And don't forget about donkeys. They're super strong and help us carry things too. Wow, farm animals are so helpful. Did you know that people started keeping farm animals more than 9,000 years ago? That's even before we had cars and video games. Chapter 3, Wild Animals, Nature's Helpers. Let's go on an adventure into the wild. Some of the coolest helpers don't live on farms or in our homes, they live out in nature. Elephants are like the giants of the forest. They're super strong and use their trunks and tusks to carry heavy logs and clear paths. They even dig holes to find water, which helps other animals too. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Bees are small but mighty. They help pollinate flowers, which means they carry tiny grains of pollen from one flower to another so that plants can make fruits and vegetables. Plus, they give us delicious honey. Snakes might seem a little scary, but they're actually really important for keeping things balanced in nature. They eat rats and other pests that can damage crops, which helps farmers protect their plants. Have you ever seen a bat flying around at night? They might look a little spooky, but they're actually really helpful. Bats eat tons of insects, which helps control those pesky bugs, and they even spread seeds as they fly, which helps plants grow in new places. Monkeys are like the acrobats of the jungle. They swing from tree to tree, eating fruits and spreading seeds wherever they go. This helps new trees and plants grow, which keeps the forest healthy. All these amazing wild animals help keep nature healthy and strong. And guess what? When nature is healthy, it helps us too. We get clean air to breathe, fresh water to drink, and yummy fruits and vegetables to eat. That's why it's so important to protect wild animals in their homes. We can all do our part by learning about them, respecting their space, and making sure we don't pollute their environment. Wow, animals are truly our helpers, our protectors, and our friends. Let's be kind to all animals, pets, farm animals, and wild ones too. If you loved this episode, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Curious Cub for more learning adventures every week. Until next time, stay curious, little cubs!